Welcome to the HR Learning Hub, where we decode HR concepts, dive into people analytics, and learn how to tell stories, not just share numbers. In this last part of Performance Dashboard series, we will identify top performers who would be flight risk using filter formula. We will also learn how with filter formula only selected cells can be retrieved. In case you've missed watching previous parts of this series, I will share the link above. Let's quickly begin with this. From our data sheet, we will extract employees who have rating greater than 4, which means 5, which is the top rating, and employee NPS score less than 8, which means they are quite disengaged. Let's begin with filter formula equals to filter. We will select our array starting from employee name till ENPS, comma. There are two conditions that we want to see. One is calibrated rating greater than 4. Second condition, where EMPS is less than 8. We've got the list of employees who are top rated, but their ENPS is less than 8, which means they are disengaged. However, we've got the complete set of columns starting from employee name till ENPS, but we want only selected columns, which is employee name, department name, calibrated rating, and ENPS. To do so, we will enter filter again before the formula. For array, we will keep everything same, comma. For include, we will add curly braces, and we will keep 1 for the columns that we want and 0 for the columns that we don't want. So if we look at data sheet, we need employee name, department, and then we don't need grade, manager name, tenure group, last rating, initial rating, and then we need calibrated and ENPS. So we will put 1 for employee name, 1 for department, 0 for 6 other columns that we don't want, 1 for calibrated rating, 1 for ENPS. Brackets, close the bracket, and then enter. So now if you see, we've only got limited cells, which is employee name, their department, calibrated rating, and ENPS. With this, our dashboard is ready. That's it for this video as well as the performance review and rating dashboard. Let me know which dashboard series should I make next. If you are liking these videos and finding the learning helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye for now. Until next time, keep learning.